Your deck leaves your control the second you attach it to an email. Copies spread, versions drift, the wrong file gets forwarded, and you never know which one a client actually opened. But hosting a presentation online means publishing your slide deck via a secure link rather than a download, so you can control access and track exactly how it performs. You publish once, and you decide who gets in. Public for a campaign, unlisted for a quiet share, or private when it's just for the right people, and the link stays the same. So here's how to do it in Flipsnack. Click the Create button to start building your new presentation deck. From here, click Upload Files to import the presentation from your computer or drive. Next, in the Customize area, you can set your presentation branding. Upload and add your logo to the deck presentation, then accent colors and a background so the deck fully matches your brand. Then, click the Edit option to modify additional customizations to your presentation. Click Edit Flipbook to enhance your content with interactive elements. Afterwards, click the Interactions tab to add interactive elements to your presentation. From the Link and Tag section, add clickable regions that make your presentation interactive. Following that, pick an interaction from the Multimedia section, like a video or a pop-up slideshow. Then click on Engagement to explore more options like a quiz, question, or contact form. After you add your interactions, click the Customize button to set additional options for your presentation. Now click the Appearance tab to set your menu controls, so you can control exactly what viewers can do with your presentation. For example, toggle on search inside your flipbook so readers can look up specific keywords. Then you can toggle on reader notes. For example, readers can jot down questions or highlight key points as they browse your presentation. You can also toggle on download PDF so readers can save your presentation as a PDF. Afterwards, toggle on print flipbook so readers can print your presentation, handy if you need physical copies for a meeting. Following this, click the Continue button to proceed with updating your presentation. And here's the real advantage: the same deck flexes to whoever needs it. A marketer can publish it as a public link and embed it on a website. A sales rep can share a private deck with one client via an unlisted link to make the presentation accessible only via a shared link. Or the private option to restrict presentation access to invited users only. Here you have more options to choose from the private access. For example, you can keep it to only you, protect it with a password, lock it behind company SSO, and so on. Finally, pick your visibility option and hit Update to publish. Your share link is ready. After that, click the Share button to access sharing options for distribution. Following that, click Copy Link to duplicate the shareable URL for distribution. That remains the same even if you change something in the presentation. Once you've shared your presentation, head to Analytics to see how it's performing. Ready to turn your deck into a managed asset? Click the link in the description and start creating with Flipsnack today.